I've got a microwave here and the light's not working. It should go high, medium, off. Nothing's happening. Okay, that light is working, but it's the light underneath. Okay, and usually it's one, you just have to look. Not all microwaves are the same. Okay, and I'm working over a glass counter. Okay, see that? You just swivel that down like that. And see how the stove, this is glass. You want to make sure you don't drop stuff on there. Okay, well, let's take a look at this bulb. Let's see here. Okay, hey, I hope that is the right threads. Most of them are threads, and I was getting to say, always be careful and see. Okay, yeah, okay, I got lucky. Well, I was pretty sure it was this type of thread. And see, I got one that's the very same, comparable, and you can get these in 40 watt or 25 watt. But I found, you know, if you're gonna do it, you know, most of them are already preset for 40. And I like just as much light as I can get over the stove, you know. Okay, let's try it out. Hey, look at that. High, medium, off. Just like that, that's done. Now, if you want to, you can wipe off this glass. Sometimes you get a lot of bugs and stuff in there. Screw back up in there. Hold your mouth just right. You can get that started. There. You don't need to call an appliance guy for that. You call a service tech out there, they're going to charge you right now $95 to step their foot in your place, and they'll probably charge you $10 for the bulb. The bulb costs about $5 at the store, and that's it. You can get bulbs that are a little bit bigger than that or longer. You just have to look at your area here. I would always recommend to take that and look at it and pull it out. Take that to the store if you have to, because there's 3 or 4 different sizes and threads available. So check it out. You just saved yourself some money. Bam! That's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. Now, what else can I find in this condo that needs to be fixed?